Okay, I'm really pissed right now because I just made a 9-minute long video, and knowing with my fucking laptop, it just fucking sucked. It would not record the sound. Okay, now I gotta redo this. And this is gonna be a really long video because, again, with my laptop, I was playing COD 4 a couple nights ago, making a video, and it said I recorded 42 minutes, but then when I pushed stop, it only gave me 5 minutes and 48 seconds of the video. So anyway, on with my video. Well, we're getting my dad a new 4-wheeler. And we're gonna sell my little Sportsman 90 made by Polaris. I think it's a 2003. Not sure. But, okay. The problem is, like, for all you people that know how to drive 4-wheelers and stuff, I don't want any, like, 8-year-old, like, commenting on my post, because, like, he doesn't know shit, so, you know, just, for all you 8-year-olds out there, don't comment anything. Fine, for your older people, please. Well, it backfires a couple, like, whenever you push the gas, it's either, like, an electrical problem, it like, whenever you push this down, and you go, like, barely, you're supposed to go really slow, right? Well, it goes really fast. You know what? I'm just gonna make a video of me riding it. How am I gonna hold this? No, whatever. And that does not sound good either. And there's a little bit. Okay, ready? I'm pushing this very slow, remember. Hold on. Let me get out of here first, hold on. Okay. Hold on, I'm backing up. As you saw, it just went all out. And I was barely pushing it, so, again, with you 8-year-olds, don't comment on my post saying I was flooring it. Because, knowing you guys don't know shit. Because I have an 8-year-old sister, and I know how they are, so just don't even try and fuck with it. Oh, look, there she is. You're a faggot. Your mom? Ew, gross. See, she's a total oak nub.
Hey, I am not. Hey, I'm 10 years old.
Jen, you're 6.
No, I'm 7.
Oh, that's right, she's 7. Oh my god, no one cares. Well, I'm turning 16. Would you just shut up? I'm gonna beat you down with a shovel if you don't shut up. I will get the shovel. Sorry for that interruption. Anyway, this is a Kawasaki 110. I believe it's 2004. Wait. 2005. Okay. we just haven't driven this for a long time, so if you just like start like, I don't know, trying to start it for like 30 minutes, it'll eventually come on. And yeah. Hold on. Oh, and this is probably gonna go for 600 if I sell it, which I am going to sell it definitely. And my other four-wheeler, which we like to call SpongeBob, is just got a comfy seat and it's yellow. Probably selling that for 400 if I can get that.